Ever wondered how humanoid robots are transforming various industries? Well, the answer lies in their unique ability to revolutionize productivity. Imagine mining operations where humanoid robots, armed with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence, navigate hazardous terrains, reducing risks and enhancing safety. Or consider disaster rescue missions where these robots, with their unparalleled agility and adaptability, ensure swift responses, saving lives in critical situations. In manufacturing, humanoid robots streamline assembly processes, performing tasks with precision and speed, while in the recycling industry, they optimize processes by accurately identifying and sorting recyclable materials. The integration of humanoid robots not only leads to increased efficiency and profitability, but also fosters a collaborative environment where human creativity and robotic efficiency converge. This fascinating synergy between humans and robots is transforming industries, making operations safer, more efficient, and more profitable. Let's delve deeper into these sectors to understand the impact of humanoid robots. Imagine a mining operation where humanoid robots take the lead. Picture this: robots, designed to mimic human form and motion, navigating through the labyrinthine depths of a mine. These aren't your typical machines. We're talking about humanoid robots equipped with advanced sensors and sophisticated artificial intelligence algorithms that can detect gas leaks, unstable terrain, and other hazards that pose a threat to human safety. Where humans may falter, these robots stand firm, reducing the risk of injury or fatality in what has traditionally been a dangerous industry. They bring a new level of safety to mining operations, transforming the way we think about risk in this field. But it's not just about safety. These humanoid robots are also redefining efficiency in mining operations. Imagine tasks that once took hours, now completed in minutes. Drilling, blasting, transporting materials, all automated, all optimized. These robots work tirelessly, their mechanical precision and consistency improving resource extraction and boosting productivity. They don't tire, they don't need breaks, and they keep going, no matter how tough the conditions. In fact, the use of humanoid robots in mining operations is a game changer. By taking over repetitive tasks and navigating hazardous environments, they not only protect human workers, but also significantly enhance operational efficiency. These robots, thus, bring about a significant improvement in mining productivity. They're more than just machines. They're the future of mining, paving the way for safer, more efficient operations. In disaster scenarios, every second counts. Imagine the chaos, the panic, the uncertainty. Now picture a humanoid robot, agile and adaptable, navigating through the debris and hazardous terrain with ease. These advanced machines are equipped with the mobility and dexterity necessary to swiftly locate and rescue survivors. These robots are not just quick, but also smart. They're designed to adapt to the unpredictable nature of disaster situations, to think on their feet, as it were. They can climb over rubble, crawl through confined spaces, and even swim through floodwaters. No obstacle is too great, no task too daunting. But it's not all about physical prowess. The true strength of these humanoid robots lies in their ability to be controlled remotely. Through teleoperation, human operators can steer these robots in real time from a safe location. This extends the reach of rescue missions into areas that are too dangerous or inaccessible for humans. The synergy between human expertise and robotic capabilities maximizes the effectiveness of these rescue efforts. Human operators can leverage the robot's agility and durability, while the robots can execute commands with precision and speed. Together, they form a potent force, capable of saving lives in the most critical situations. In essence, humanoid robots are becoming indispensable in disaster rescue missions. In manufacturing, precision and speed are paramount. Picture a production line where humanoid robots work side by side with their human counterparts. These mechanical marvels don't just mimic human actions, they bring a level of precision and speed that's simply unmatched by human hands alone. They streamline assembly processes by performing tasks with a level of exactness that minimizes production downtime. The ability to rapidly adapt to new product designs and requirements is a game changer. It means production lines can stay up to date with market demands without the need for significant downtime or retraining. But they're not just solitary workers. These humanoid robots are part of a collaborative workforce. They work in sync with human workers, enhancing our own capabilities and allowing us to accomplish complex tasks more efficiently. Think of it as a dance where human creativity meets robotic efficiency. In this dance, the robots aren't leading, they're following our rhythm, our creative solutions, and our innovative thinking. They're there to help us reach new heights of productivity and to make our jobs easier, safer, and more efficient. The result is a manufacturing process that's streamlined, adaptable, and efficient. It's a process where the strengths of both humans and robots are utilized to their fullest potential, creating a synergy that drives production excellence. With humanoid robots on the assembly line, manufacturing gets a technological boost. Sorting waste is a dirty job, but humanoid robots are up for the task. With computer vision technology, these robots are able to accurately identify and sort recyclable materials from waste streams, revolutionizing recycling processes. They work with speed and precision, swiftly separating paper, plastics, metals, and glass, increasing sorting accuracy while reducing contamination. The result? Enhanced overall recycling efficiency. But that's not all. By taking on these tedious sorting tasks, humanoid robots free up human workers to focus on higher-value activities. Think quality control and process optimization. This redistribution of labor not only elevates the role of human workers, but also leads to reduced waste generation and improved resource utilization. In other words, we're not just recycling more efficiently, we're also producing less waste to start with. Humanoid robots, therefore, are setting a new standard in waste management. The future of industry lies in the hands of humanoid robots. Harnessing their advanced capabilities, we see unprecedented improvements in productivity and efficiency across various sectors. From navigating hazardous mining environments to performing intricate assembly tasks, and even sorting recyclables with remarkable precision, humanoid robots are revolutionizing the way we work. In collaboration with human expertise, they're not just reshaping industries, but also creating safer, more efficient workplaces. Embrace the future, embrace humanoid robots.